following areas: EDC, District of Columbia, in Maryland, Emerald, Calvert, Cecil, Central and Southeast Howard, Central and Southeast Montgomery, Charles, Prince George's, Southeast Hartford, and Southern Baltimore. In Northern Virginia, Arlington Falls Church, Alexandria, Central and Southeast Prince William, Manassas Park, and Fairfax. When? Until 8 p.m. this evening. Impact. Excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams. The following is a flood statement. Flood advisory in effect until 4 p.m. this afternoon. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall.
Wait, what the hell?
Where? A portion of southeast Pennsylvania.
Hold on. It was just in the middle of a war and a flash flood watch.
When? Until 4 p.m.
I'm so confused.
Impact. Minor flooding in low-lying and forward drainage areas. Additional details. At 12:47 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Minor flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly across portions of the advisory area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Some locations that may experience flooding include Quakertown, Percy, Green Lane, Pennsburg, Red Hill, and Trumbullsville. This includes the following highways: northeast extension between mile markers 38 and 43. http://www.weather.gov/safety/ broad and heavy terrain. There are hundreds of low
So
water.
they allow it to override, probably.
Heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. The following is a severe thunderstorm
Yep.
watch announcement from the
Jesus.
National Weather